Warrant Officer Mawaso. Now you say when the request for Mr. Mnube's dental analysis was made, you were here at court, ne?
I was present in
Yes.
Manje kuthizeke ngesikhathi lesi njengoba besenza isicelo sokuthi umnumzana uMncube ke ahamba ahlangana nodokotela ke wamazinyo ke kade ukhona le nkantolo athi yebo ngisho njalo uthi ake ngikhona le nkantolo.
Yes. Indeed, he was taken and the report came back.
Athi yebo nangempela wathathwa wamikiswa ke lapho ke futhi ucwaningo mhlawumbe ireport ke ikhona.
Yeah. The gist of the report is as follows.
Athi inkulumo ebhaliwe kule report lena ke ilandelayo.
Now, much against your layman's observation, I hope you don't take offense when I say your layman's observation, not so, that he had a golden teeth on his left upper jaw, which teeth appears to be teeth number 2 from where the mouth begins. This is what the experts who are knowledgeable in dental formula and determination on whether or not a person had ever had a golden tooth are saying.
Athi ke lapho ke manana nenkulumo eqhamuka ke kudokotela ke wamazinyo usichwepheshe ke wamazinyo ke ukuthi unomzana uNcube ngabe sele wanalo ngempela izinyo legolide noma akaza kabe nalo ke lapho ke athi yebo ke inkulumo kadokotela ukuthi yena sele waba nalo ke izinyo legolide ke futhi athi kade dala ke yena ngaphezulu ke sika kade kwizinyo lesibili ke kumazinyo kala ngaphezulu ke uma ngabe siya laqa khona ke umlomo wakhe ke.
This is what the expert's conclusion is.
Athi futhi ke lena ke indlela ke ukuchwepheshe yaqedele ngayo ke.
He says in conclusion, the right upper canine is questionable for abrasion or marginal preparation. The right upper canine is questionable for abrasion or marginal preparation. That means they could see something on the right upper canine. Canine it means there's an abrasion which could not tell what caused the abrasion, or it's either an abrasion or
An abrasion.
Abrasion.
Yes.
What did I say?
Abrasion.
Yes, abrasion.
Oh, I call it abrasion. Fine, you can call it abrasion.
Yes, my lord, it's an abrasion. Or it looks as if either an abrasion or marginal preparation. It means maybe something happened to it. We don't know what. However, no gold inlay is currently visible in the mouth. In other words, they are saying they cannot see that, or he cannot see that there was ever a golden insert in Mr. Mnube's mouth.
Currently and ever two different concepts.
Yes. Thank you. I am saying the doctor says cannot see evidence of the fact that there's a golden inlay in Mr. Mnube's mouth.
Athi-ke uyatshela-ke ukuthi inkulumo kadokotela-ke kade esenza ke lapho ukuhlola noma inhlolo zokuhlola phakathi kwamazinyo kaMnumzane uNcubeko kuwukuthi-ke esikhathini samanje-ke lapho-ke akutshengakali njengokuthi uMnumzane uSeli waba nalo izinyo legolide kusho la kuyena kumazinyo akho alangasese kumazinyo akhona alangaphezuluni kuyena-ke kumazinyo wakhe kuma ngabe phelile wonkana leli lesibili laqa khona komlomo uma ngabe usiyala ngalana-ke eceleni langalana e-left-ke esandleni sokudla-ke ilelo indawo kade bekukhuluma ngayo kade khona izinyo legolide noma kade lingekho-ke futhi.
Do you have any comment?
My comment will be, on my observation, I saw God.
Bathi ngabe unayo into ongathanda ukukhuluma ngayo-ke athi ngesikhathi lesi kade kabukeka iy'thombe lezi-ke yena-ke wabona ukuthi yebo-ke kade likhona-ke izinyo legolide.
Which was a layman's observation, not so.
My observation, I don't know what you call it, but on my observation.
Athi lokhu yena-ke akubona mathupha.
Thank you. But that is what the doctor says, expects.
I'm not against what the doctor is saying,
Thank
but
you.
we cannot compare the two.
Yes.
Wathi athi ngeke akukhona ukukhuluma mayelana nenkulumo kadokotela ukuthi udokotela yini ayishilo kepha ngeke baqhathanise phakathi kwalento lezi ezimbili inkulumo yakhe nalokho akubonayo futhi nalokho kade kusenziwa kudokotela.
Thank you. Now, just before we conclude, on your observation of what could you then see that accused number 3 on the photo of the golden teeth? On your observation of what could you see or tell that accused number 3 in 2014 had a golden teeth?
On my observation on the teeth.
Bathi leko yabona ke ngonyaka uthi ngomnyaka 2014 umsola wesithathu kade enezinyo legolide ke lapho-ke athi kulezi-ke ayibonile-ke ithombe.
Which teeth?
Athi futhi izinyo liphi-ke.
I just pointed at the teeth. I don't know the names of the teeth, honestly.
Babuza ngabe liphi-ke izinyo kade afake kulona-ke igolide-ke athi usitshengisile-ke lana-ke kepha kazi mhlawumbe izinyo lokuthi balibiza ngaliphi igama.
Or when you say observation, I thought when you say observation, I mean analysis.
No, I mean, what I see.
Okay.
Yes.
Bathi uma ngabe khuluma observation bathi ummeli kuma mhlawumbe ngalo msebenzi wakho ukuthi uanalyze ke umsebenzi ukuqhathanisa phakathi kwalodaba lolu noma ufakazi obukade aqhathanisa phakathi kwabo-ke athi yena-ke ufakazi cha ukhuluma ngento awayibona ngeso lakhe.
That is on your layman's eye, not so.
Ngabe yinto wayibona-ke ngeso lakho noma?
Correct.
Athi yebo kunjalo into ngayibona ngeso lami ngokukhethekile.
Thank you. Not only an eye, a
Amehlo
layman's
akhe-ke
eye.
lapho.
No, a layman's eye. Yes. I think accused would want to hear that. A layman's
Ukuthi
eye.
yinto wayibona-ke ngamehlo wakho ongasebenzisile lutho ekuthizeni-ke uyibone athi yebo yinto ngayibona-ke ngamehlo ami ngasebenzisile lutho ekuthizeni ngiyibone.
Thank you. Thank you, my lord. I think that will be all for me. Thank you.